Good morning, students. Today we will read about the derivatives of implicit function. Derivatives of implicit function. Implicit function. Derivative of implicit function. Implicit function means that variables are not separated; they are mixed to each other, and we have to find the value of dy by dx. For example, if you are given that y plus sin y is equal to cos x. So from this we can't write y is equal to anything because here also y is given. So this is called the implicit function. With the y equal to, we can't write the function in the term of the x. So this is called the implicit function. Now we will find the value of dy by dx. We have to find the value of, what do we have to find? Find dy by dx. This we have to find. To find dy by dx, what we will do? Just we will differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So it can be written dy by dx plus sin y. Differential of sin y will be equal to cos y and differential of y will be equal to dy by dx. क्योंकि ये x का फंक्शन तो है नहीं, y का फंक्शन है, इसलिए cos sin y का cos हो जाएगा, y को डिफ्रेंशिएट करें तो dy by dx साथ में आएगा. cos x का डिफरेंशियल होता है माइनस sin x. फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन टेक dy by dx कॉमन, तो 1 प्लस cos y इज इक्वल टू माइनस sin x. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus sin x upon 1 plus cos y. This is the value of dy by dx. In this way we have to find the value of dy by dx. This is called the implicit function. Exercise 5.3 is given. Just you take the screenshot and solve that question. What is given is 5.3. Look here, one question is given that I can do, then after you will do by yourself. First question is given here. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x, and differentiating both sides with respect to x, so that 2x they will differentiate, so you will get here 2 plus 3y का 3 into y का करेंगे dy by dx, sin x का करेंगे तो जाएगा cos x, तो 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2, तो dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 upon 3. This is the value of dy by dx. तो इस तरीके से हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. नाउ वी हैव टू रीड अबाउट द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. वी हैव टू रीड अबाउट द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. So if any inverse trigonometric function is given, we have to find a derivative. Suppose we are given that y is equal to sin inverse x. So we have to find the derivative of sin inverse x. So this can be written as x is equal to sin y, and differentiating both sides with respect to x. So we can say that 1 is equal to cos y and dy by dx. So from here we can write dy by dx is equal to 1 upon cos y. Then 1 upon cos y can be written under root में 1 minus sin square y. So this can be written as dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus and sin square y. The sin y is equal to x, so we can write 1 minus x square. This implies we can say that derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. This is the formula to find the derivative of x square. Similarly, we can find derivative of cos inverse x. Now, similarly we can find the tan inverse x also. Suppose y equal to given here tan inverse x. We have to find a differential. So it can be written as x is equal to tan y. Then on differentiating both side with respect to x, x differential will be equal to 1 equal to tan y will be equal to sec square y and dy by dx. The dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sec square y. The dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus tan square y. Then after dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus tan y. Tan y is equal to given here x, so we can write here x square. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. In this way we can find the differentiation of the all inverse trigonometric function. Look here, I am going to do one more question. If y equal to given here sec inverse x, and we have to find the derivative of sec inverse x, so it can be written as x is equal to sec y on differentiating both side with respect to x. The x differential will be equal to 1. Sec y can be written as sec y tan y dy by dx. So you can write here dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sec y tan y. So dy by dx is equal to, now 1 upon sec y is equal to x you can write, but tan y we can't write. So it can be written as under root में sec square y minus 1, because formula is there, tan y can be written as sec square y minus 1. So 1 upon x root में, that is x square minus 1. This is the formula to find the dy by dx if y is equal to sec inverse x. The differential of sec inverse x is equal to 1 upon x root में x square minus 1. In this way we can find the derivative of all inverse trigonometric function. By using the simplification we can do the derivative. Now look at question number 10. What is given? Question number 10. 10th question is given here. Y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube, 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Let x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. This implies theta can be written as tan inverse x. Now y can be written as tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. The tan inverse, and this can be written as tan 3 theta, then 3 theta, tan inverse tan कट जाएगा 3 और theta will be equal to tan inverse x, y is equal to, and differentiating both sides dy by dx is equal to 3 and tan inverse x will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 3 upon 1 plus x square. This is your answer. In this way you have to complete the exercise 5.3. If any doubt will be there, then you have to complete, you have to say in the comment box that what is the problem there. I will give the solution of that question. Okay, thank you guys.